I have no idea what we're doing.
It's a random vlog now. Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back to my channel.
Yay.
I mean, hi there. That's my new intro.
Hi there.
Yeah, that's my new intro. I still have not been saying it for a while now. Hey, look, I'm crying. I'm watching America's Got Talent and they're so good. I'm crying so much. They're so good. Wait, they got a golden buzzer. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I think this is like the semifinals, and they're like choosing who gets eliminated or not, and I'm crying because oh my god. This time I'm also watching American Ninja Warrior. Now I'm also tearing up. Pizza. This little guy here makes everything better. Damn it, I don't actually know what I'm doing here. I'm supposed to go here for a meeting, but now I'm walking around the hall randomly. Yeah, you probably don't even hear me. The chicken, we have the fries, and another chicken.
This is the worst. Hi, we're waiting. We've been waiting. So we're waiting.
Okay, next on today's Rex journal, we're gonna need to throw out this page. So at least we have memory of this page in this phone. So yeah, here's the page. It says, lose this page, throw it out, accept the loss. We need to accept the loss of this page. Whoops. Haha, I made 3. Stay or should I go? Say that you are mine. I'll be you till the end of time. So try to let me know. Should I stay or should I go? Take a picture. They're taking photos.
I don't care.
So I'm taking a video of Daniel taking a video of someone taking a video of a tricycle.
I wish someone else would do
Stay or should I go now? Should I stay or should I go now? We'll be trouble. If I stay, there would be. If you eat too much, you get better. And now the coconut nut, I don't know where it is. It's the coconut. Coconut family. Na 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 na. Oh, well, coconut nuts are here again. Na 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 na. Here we have a smart and here we have a go. Hi.
that's part. You can hear the waves.
Here's the waves of the Pacific Ocean.
Yeah.
Social studies and math class, so we're just here outside doing nothing. And I'm not sure if we can still be outside. I don't know. I think this vlog will fail. I don't know.
Hello, it's me.
Yep, that was Cheese. You saw her. She was like in one of my videos before. And I was supposed to make another vlog, but it was failed because I had no time to edit because it was the last week of school and we had like exams and stuff. And if you're asking why